Republic Day 2022 quiz. First question, who is the father of Indian Constitution? Correct answer, B.R. Ambedkar is the father of Indian Constitution. Second question, who is the first citizen of India? Correct answer, President is the first citizen of India. Third question, who made the Indian Constitution? Correct answer, Constituent Assembly made the Indian Constitution. Question 4, when was the Constituent Assembly formed? Correct answer, the Constituent Assembly was formed in November 1946. Question 5, how much time it took to make the Indian Constitution? Correct answer, it took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to make the Indian Constitution. Sixth question, who was the first President of India? Correct answer, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India. Seventh question, when did Indian Constitution came into effect? Correct answer, the Indian Constitution came into effect in 26 January 1950. Eighth question, we are celebrating which Republic Day in 2022? Correct answer, 73rd Republic Day in 2022. Ninth question, when was Indian Constitution formed? Correct answer, the Indian Constitution was formed in 26 November 1949. Question 10, how many spokes are there in Ashok Chakra in the flag of India? Correct answer, there are 24 spokes in Ashok Chakra. 11th question, who was the first Vice President of India? Correct answer, S. Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of India. Question 12, who wrote National Anthem of India? Correct answer, Rabindranath Tagore wrote the National Anthem of India. Question 13, what is the national song of India? Correct answer, Vande Mataram is the national song of India. 14, who wrote Vande Mataram? So the correct answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote Vande Mataram. Question 15, who designed the national flag of India? Correct answer, Pingali Venkaya designed the national flag of India. Question 16, who gave the slogan Jai Hind? Correct answer, Subhash Chandra Bose gave the slogan Jai Hind. Question 17, where is the Parliament of India located at? The correct answer is the Parliament of India is situated in New Delhi. Question 18, who hoists the flag at Republic Day in Rajpath? The correct answer is the President hoists the flag at Republic Day in Rajpath. Question 19, where does the Parade of Republic Day starts from? The correct answer is the Parade of Republic Day starts from Rajpath, Delhi. Question 20, where does the Parade of Republic Day ends in? The correct answer is the Parade of Republic Day ends in India Gate in New Delhi. If you like these type of videos, then you can like and subscribe our channel and watch more videos.